We first started working with David Slatter, who's the Managing Director of S&C Slatter, and their General Manager, Jason, probably 3 years ago. And the first thing we did was we redesigned their website, their commercial website, and launched that probably 3 years ago. Since then we've also produced a website for their domestic market. They sell artificial turf for back gardens, and they also do artificial turf for the big multi-sports complex, the play and leisure industry. Over the 3 years we've done everything from static websites through to content management through to e-commerce, and in the last 3 years we've probably become more like a marketing partner to them than just the guys that built their website.
The reason we approached Urban Element was because of, largely reflective of where the business had grown to. Historically, we had done little to no marketing of the business in any shape or form. We were very aware that as the business was growing, we needed to make sure that our website, the window of the shop window, if you like, of the business, reflected who we were, the type of projects that we undertook, and we were also very conscious that for a lot of people is their first experience of S&C Slatter, so we needed to make sure that the perception of the business was right. So we had an existing website which had been in place for some 5-6 years, and that website was quite basic, to be honest. It probably reflected where the business was some 15 years ago, not where it was today, if you like. So we were keen to find an agency who would bring a level of professionalism to the website, who would be able to bring a design quality that would reflect more closely where we were as a business and where we wanted to be as a business in years to come. The end result was, I would say, almost exactly what we wanted, which was a modern, professional, clean website, easy to navigate, that clearly demonstrated who we were as a business, demonstrated what we did as a business easily, quickly, and I think also answered the questions that we wanted answered with regard to perceptions that would be drawn regarding our business for people who were coming across us for the first time. So yes, the end result, by and large, we were very, very pleased. They have delivered what they said they were going to deliver, which sounds a little cliche, and I'm very conscious that's quite easy words, but I feel like they understood very quickly what we were looking for. They understood very quickly who we were as a business and where we wanted to get to. They, as individuals, were very helpful, were very professional, and we felt very much like we were an important part of Urban Element's business. We weren't just another client, we were made to feel like we were a very important client.